if you watch these 3 channels that I am going to recommend you in this video, your English fluency will not be the same. Your English is going to improve by just 90% if you watch the channels that I am going to share with you in this video on a daily basis. Your English fluency will not be the same. This is my guarantee. Okay, so if you want to know all the channels that I used to watch since I started learning English, you need to watch this video till the end so that you know what I consume on social media in order to improve my English. What you talk and how you talk and in what words you talk, in what sentences you talk is the result of what you listen to on a daily basis, is the result of what you consume on social media. So if you want to talk confidently, if you want to sound confidently while speaking in this language, you need to be consuming content from someone who is confident. If you want to sound like a native speaker, you need to consume content from native speakers. That's all you need to do. And today in this video, you will know the reason of why I talk the way I talk, okay? Because it is the result of what I consume and what I have been consuming since I started learning English, okay? So let's talk about what you need to be watching in order to become fluent in very short amount of time or as soon as possible. So let's get started and talk about those channels' name. So now let me talk about the first channel. The first channel name is Team Fearless. This is my favorite channel and I have been watching this channel since I started learning English. I have been listening to this channel from the time I did not understand even a sentence in English. From that time I have been listening to this channel till now and I have become able to express myself in very easy manner. It is the result of listening to this channel every single day. If you watch this channel, if you listen to this channel every single day, you will not only improve your English in a very short amount of time, but you will also learn how to use grammar rules while speaking. You will automatically pick up all those things that you need to speak English fluently, because this channel has so many motivational videos, inspiring stories, true stories that will help you learn this language, that will keep you motivated all that time. This is my guarantee, because this is my practical experience. If you watch this channel, nothing can stop you from becoming a fluent speaker in English. I just want you to go and explore this channel, listen to the songs on this channel, listen to videos, listen to motivational stories on this channel, listen to inspiring stories on this channel. You will get to know a lot of things about life, about how our mind works, about motivation. You will not only learn English, but you will also gain knowledge from this channel. Let me tell you the most interesting thing about this channel. It has subtitles on every single video, and subtitle will help you what the motivational speaker is talking about. Let me tell you a quick story of how I found this YouTube channel. So when I started learning this language, when I decided to become fluent at speaking English, the first thing that I needed to do was listening too much English. So that's when I typed English videos, and by mistake I typed motivation with English video, and that's when this channel appeared. And since then I started listening to this channel till now. Now let me talk about the second channel. Second channel name is Shetty Podcast. I love this man. I respect a lot this man, because I have also been listening to this man since 2023, and I am in love with his videos. Like on his podcast, great men come and share their true and inspiring journey. And here you will get to know a storytelling technique. Here you will get to know how to tell stories in an engaging manner. Here you will know a lot of things about communication skills and about finance, about relationship. Here you are going to learn everything that you need to learn to thrive in this world. This is the channel that I listen to the most when it comes to listening podcast. Okay, so this is this channel that I listen to a lot. Now let me tell you one most important thing that many people who are learning English make. They make the mistake of only listening to the podcast, only listening to songs, only listening to whatever they are listening. They do not repeat what they are listening to. So this is the biggest mistake you might make if you are not aware of active listening. So let me tell you what I used to do. When I used to watch these channels, I used to repeat. I used to listen and then I used to repeat. This is the thing that made me able to articulate my thoughts well in this language. So I will recommend you to practice active listening, because when you practice active listening means when you listen and then you repeat, like this way you are training your mind to speak this language. By the way, if you watch any channel, if you do these three things with watching, whatever channel you are watching, you will born to become fluent at speaking English. The first thing that you need to do is listen and repeat, listen and repeat. If you do that, you are training your mind to pick up this language. You are training your mind to pick up the words. You are training your mind to speak this language, and one day your mind will be trained by doing the repeated task every single day. Okay, then the second thing that you need to do is you need to write down the things that you are listening to. If possible, if you like a phrase, write down that thing and make sure that you use the written things that you have just written down in your conversation. Now let me ask you, what are the channels that you are watching to improve your English? Let me know in the comment section, and do let me know in the comment section. And if you like the channels that I am telling you in this video, come back to this video and just tell in the comment section that you liked the channels that I just have talked about. Okay, so now let me talk about the third channel, and this is my favorite channel. You know what, the temperature in my room is high today, so you can see I am sweating, but still I am making this video for you guys. So if you are just loving my videos on my channel, just make sure to hit the like button, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel, because here I will always be coming up with unique content that will teach you how to speak English fluently in very short amount of time. So now let me talk about the third channel, and this is my favorite channel also. The third channel name is Alina Re. She is from India, and I love the way she talks. I love the way she explains things in very easy manner, because she is very kind, she is very beautiful also. I have been consuming content of her since 2022, and she is very kind. Like I have learned a lot of things, from her channel. So yeah, she is very kind, no doubt. Her methods, her tricks, her tips are very effective. If you use, you will born to become a fluent speaker. There was a time when I used to watch her videos all day long. There was a time when I could not stop myself from clicking on her videos, because her methods, her tips, her tricks were so effective, and I did not follow all of the things that she was telling in her videos, but yeah, I did follow some of the things that helped me speak English fluently, that helped me articulate my thoughts in very easy manner. And today I am saying you to just watch these channels on a daily basis, and you will also become a fluent speaker, and you will credit your fluency to some of the channels that you are watching now. And I could be the one in your list. One day you will credit your fluency to me, that because of this man I become a fluent speaker. So if you like my methods, if you like my strategies for speaking English, do hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section if you are just learning something from this video or something from my videos. So yeah, These were the channels that I have been watching a lot since I started learning English, and I want you to do the same. By the way, if you watch any channels, if you're following any channels, I just want you to do the 3 things that I say you to do. The first thing that you need to do is listen and repeat. This is the fastest way to become a fluent speaker in any language. The second thing that I want you to do is I want you to write down the things that you like when you listen to something. Okay, when you listen to something and you like a phrase, I want you to write that down on a piece of paper, and I want you to use that in your next conversation. And the third thing that you need to do is record yourself speaking in this language if possible, and watch how you speak, watch what kind of words you are using over and over again, and try to not to use the same repeated words in your next conversation. So yeah, these were the channels that I watched and become fluent at speaking English. Now I just want you to do the same. So at the end of this video, I want to say one thing. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because it motivates me to make more videos. It tells my efforts are being useful out there and making a difference out there. So your way of telling me that my efforts are being useful out there, my efforts are making a difference out there, let me know in the comment section and hit the like button.